Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about a contest from TCS, that is the TCS XR Pro. So we have done many videos regarding the contest organized by the TCS through the campus company portal and other contests apart from the campus company. So in this regards, TCS is now going to organize a XR Pro contest exclusive for the students in Tamil Nadu. So what is this XR Pro contest? So this XR Pro contest is a extended reality type of a contest. So in this contest, the TCS wants the students to develop a project based on virtual reality and augmented reality, both mixed and to form an extended reality. So what is virtual reality and augmented reality? So in virtual reality, many of you would have an experience in the gaming sector where completely the visual will be changed to a new environment where you have not gone or you have not seen through the visuals, and you will be taken to a completely new experience. But in augmented reality, you will be having an environment where it will enhance your vision. For example, if you take a construction field, if you have an augmented reality based helmet, and if you have that in your head in the construction field, the workers or the engineers can visualize the entire features of the building through that helmet, their height, width, where the pipeline is going on, everything likewise, okay, like take a digital format. So you have to think of it and you have to submit the idea. So what are the categories they have asked you to submit? The first one is the healthcare, next the education sector, next is the automotive or mobility sector, and next agriculture, tourism, banking, and generic care. So think of an idea in virtual reality and you can submit the idea in the TCS campus community portal, and you can check my blog for the link I have given there, and you can visit the link and post your idea. So who can apply for this contest? This contest is exclusively only for the students of Tamil Nadu who is pursuing engineering in BE in any year, second year, third year or final year can apply for the contest. So where you are going to demonstrate your project. So during the CAI Connect, you are going to demonstrate this idea. So you don't want to develop the entire software and hardware to submit for this contest in the final round. You have to first have an online test. If you pass the online test, you can develop a prototype and you can demonstrate the prototype to the online, and top 5 teams will be called for the live demonstration. You can just submit the idea what you have now, and you can simulate with some of the free source softwares available in the internet. You don't want to develop a complete model of the idea. So friends, hope you understand about the TCS XR Pro. Post your doubts in the comment section. We will be answering the questions. Subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching the video.